Hello everyone and welcome to Day Trader S&P 500. Today is Tuesday, June 7, 2022. This is Dale Woodson, editor of Woodson Wave Report and Day Trader S&P 500. We're going to show you guys something a little different to start with today. We're going to get to this low risk, high reward alert that we just started sending out to our monthly subscribers to our newsletter. Sometimes I wake up early, 4:38 a.m. You can see here we put the price at the time was 41.08. The risk, where is it wrong? 41.1075 was actually 41.11. Reward was 40.52 or lower. It was a 15-to-1 risk to reward ratio. And then I want to show you what I was looking at there. Well, I'll just cut right to the chase. And then not long after that, I realized that the C wave down in the triangle, we'll get to that shortly, 5:35 a.m. More safe reward position is 40.76. This is where the bottom wave A in the triangle is located. We create a flat bottom. So the extension down is 40.52, but 40.76 is the reward or take profit position, if you will. Customers are really loving this, and I'll show you what I was looking at here. If I can get to, that's not it. Where is the 1 minute? There's the 1 minute. Okay, here is 4:37 in the morning. Okay, you can see I got a 4 up there. There's a 1 over here in a parentheses. That's why the risk, it was like trading it right around 08, I think it was here. And it was like, this thing should go down, and it should go down pretty far. And where is it wrong? When it goes above that line. So the risk was at the time 2 points or 3 points, and the reward was huge. And you can see what it did. I should have started it back here to show you guys where I was when I woke up at 4:38. There I am looking at a 1 and a 4, and I'm like, I put that out, and I did the target right here would be that, I think it was 40.76. I'll have to get to a bigger chart. But you can see it worked out really well. Okay, so we were able to catch that and give that to our customers. I'll get back to that in a little bit here, but that's where that wave 4, I've been saying that so many times, butts up to the wave 1 low, and it provides a ridiculous risk to reward ratio for, in this case, entering a short position. We're not a trading service, but I do give the numbers. Again, to me, it's all math, and I'm just reporting the numbers. Okay, so let's get to the 10-minute chart here. I think I may have that. That's it. All right, we'll start with the top down. Okay, here's a daily chart. There's the all-time high. There's the wave A low, and we have B up. Okay, a lot of things going on here, but the most important thing is, as of now, this is a 3-wave up, and it's right at the 382. B could be done here, or it could go higher, and the market's going to reveal itself. It always does. If it goes higher, this 3 waves will become a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're likely to see a 5 up, 3 down, 5 high to one of these higher targets. So that high right there at 4202.25 is critical. Okay, so that's what we're looking at in that bigger picture. I want to show this, this 10-minute. I'll get it in here. There it is. I'm going to move it over so I know where it is. On this 10-minute, this is what I was talking about. Wave 3 is up here from that low that we were talking about, that A wave low down there. We got a 1, 2, 3. Okay. There is the 3 at 4202.25. All important. We've got an A down in red, a B up in red, parentheses, and a C down. And this was at 4 in the morning, and we're looking at, I originally gave that 40.52. I'm like, wait a minute. This is where you should take profits, because that's where it will be a flat on the bottom of the triangle. And this one looks like it could be a descending. We got a couple different things in play there. But that's the triangle pattern. I want to show you guys this pick. It's a little cleaner. You can see here where we're hitting within targets and actuals, targets and actuals, targets and actuals. You know, 2 or 3 points within direct hits. And this one, we had that to take profit at that 40.76, and it took it. So let's get to that pick. I think it might be a little bit easier. There you can see there was that 10-minute. I was looking at a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. That was the original 40.52 target, and then we got to the other one. which was 40.76. Here is our hourly chart. This shows a lot right here. All right, there's the A down, the B up, the C down, D up. A lot going on here, okay? Let's start with the triangle. This would be a descending triangle. Before we get into that, let's show you guys pictures so you know what triangles are. Okay, here's all the triangles here, and we put in the flat bottom. So all these, you can see that's a rising bottom, a lower, declining bottom, if you will. The flat bottom, it leaves only one triangle left. And we put out a report early on that we're looking like we're seeing a triangle. And I had several people ask me, how did you identify a triangle so early? I'll tell you guys a really quick story here. Back in 1996, when I first started charting Elliott Wave on my basement wall, it took months and I couldn't see 5 ways up, 5 ways down, anything. Long story short, months later, it turned out to be a triangle. So the very first Elliott Wave pattern I learned years ago in 1996 was a triangle. So now I'm always on the look for them, and I used to just trade fifth waves after fourth waves and triangles, but that was many, many years ago, what, 25 or so years. But this is what we're looking at, that flat bottom here and the descending top, okay? That's where 41.89 is going to come into play and 42.02, because that leads me into 4 alternate. This could be an A down, a B up, and a C down, and done. That is the 382 retracement from that A wave low. Okay, so that could be all of the fourth wave, and then we'll get a fifth wave up to new highs, and you can see where those targets are there. How do we know when 4 is complete? Here, when that high obviously is taken out, then that high, and ultimately that high will go. Okay, so we got 2 counts here. 4 is complete here, or 4 is tracing out descending triangle. There's A down, B up, C down, D up. Might go a little bit higher, but it should hold below that 41.89 high to create that descending pattern. And E is sitting right here. It would be equal with A and C at that 40.76, which was our direct hit on our risk reward right there. You can see the notes. But I put in here possible throw under. In Elliott's Masterworks, he talked on the triangles, especially wave E would do a throw over or a throw under. In this case, it would be a throw under. And it's another one of the tricks of the market. Okay, you see this low, basically it holds, and then we get an E wave down here, and it holds, and then if it goes under and breaks, then it throws out a fake to everyone thinking, oh, that's it, the bear market is resuming. But really, if it's a throw under, the E wave is down here, possibly down here at the 500 retracement at 40.37, and just when everybody else is jumping back into the short side, bang, here comes 5 up. So that's the trick of the triangle, if you will. We'll see how that plays out, okay? But let me get, that is the hourly. I want to get the 10-minute here. I think I showed that already. And here is the 1 hour with all that stuff in there. I kind of got it all together with the possible throw under. There was the target from this morning in the risk reward trade, and the direct hit right on the number 40.76. That was rewarding. Okay, there is the D wave high. There is the E with the possible throw under, and you can see there is that 382 at 40.76, and that's where 4 low cannot go below the wave 1 high, which is sitting up here at 39.82 and a quarter. So this would probably be the lowest we could expect 4 to go, and it could be complete right here. This move up is going to tell us in the short term. Okay, so that's it on those. Let me see. I think I might have another pick here. I think I showed you guys that. Yeah, and I showed you guys this. This is where we are post-market close today on June 7th. That's what we're looking at. We have 2 different counts. There were so many different possibilities coming into this, so many different triangle possibilities and different things. Fourth waves are long and sideways and complicated by nature, and they're hard to trade. Okay, but we found a nice trade this morning, and there was another one off of that low going up. That's a nice move up. We'll see how this plays out. Either we're going to get E down and a possible throw under, or 4 down is complete here and it's going up in wave 5. That's it for today. Until next time, take care, everyone.